Is your EETV Box Pro running out of storage? With 4K recordings consuming up to 15 gigabytes per hour, managing your storage space has become more critical than ever. There are three primary methods to delete recordings and free up space. Let's start with deleting individual recordings, which is perfect when you want to remove specific shows you've already watched. Navigate to My Recordings from the main menu. Here you'll see all your saved content. Select the recording you want to delete, then press the Options button on your remote. A context menu will appear with several options. Select Delete from this menu, then confirm your choice when prompted. The recording will be permanently removed, freeing up storage space immediately. For deleting multiple recordings at once, use the bulk deletion method. This is ideal when you want to clear out several shows quickly, such as after a viewing marathon or when doing regular storage maintenance. The third method is series management, which is perfect for ongoing shows. You can set up automatic deletion rules to keep only the most recent episodes, preventing your storage from filling up with old episodes you've already watched. These three deletion methods give you complete control over your EETV Box Pro storage. Individual deletion for specific shows, bulk deletion for quick cleanup, and series management for automated maintenance. Regular storage management will keep your device running smoothly and ensure you never miss recording your favorite programs. Beyond basic deletion, your EETV Box Pro offers powerful advanced features to automatically manage storage and optimize performance. The first in, first out system automatically deletes your oldest recordings when storage becomes full, ensuring you never miss new recordings while keeping your most recent content safe. You can also set episode limits for each series, preventing any single show from consuming too much storage space by automatically removing excess episodes. The storage meter provides a visual indicator of your current storage usage, with color-coded warnings when you reach 85 and 95% capacity. When storage exceeds 90%, the meter turns red to warn you that recording failures may occur and system performance could degrade. Follow these best practices for optimal storage management. Perform weekly cleanup, be selective about recordings, delete watched content promptly, and monitor storage levels regularly. Remember, storage levels above 90% can cause recording failures, and performance degrades significantly when storage exceeds 95%. Finally, remember that deleted recordings cannot be recovered. There is no recycle bin or undo function, so always double-check your selections before confirming any deletions.